Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we are Everything Women, where we talk about, well, everything women. Make sure you hit the bell and that subscribe button to keep up with our latest posts and videos. Now let's get into this video. How to grow your hair longer, fast. If you want to grow your hair longer and faster, try these 3 tips. Number 1, guava leaves. Guava leaves have been known to promote rapid hair growth and maintain a healthy scalp. It is usually made into a rinse that treats scalp issues such as dandruff and makes the hair grow thick and lush. First, you'll want to bring a liter of water to a boil. Add a handful of guava leaves and boil for about 20 minutes. Strain the liquid and let it cool off. When you apply the solution, make sure your hair is clean. This means shampoo your hair, but do not condition it. Then, once your hair is almost dry, part your hair into sections and apply to the scalp and the ends of the hair. Massage the solution into your hair and make sure your hair and scalp is saturated. You can leave it in for about 2 to 3 hours. You can even put your hair in a shower cap and sleep with the solution overnight. Finally, rinse the solution from your hair with slightly warm water. Repeat this process once or twice a week for the best results. Number 2, castor oil. Castor oil has been known to promote very rapid and very thick hair growth. Although a very heavy oil, it works like magic to promote strong, long, healthy hair growth at a fast rate. Any castor oil works very well, but black castor oil has been known to be the best. To apply, part hair into 4 sections. Take each section and part off smaller sections and oil the scalp, applying some of the oil to the ends of your hair. Hair shouldn't be soaked with oil, but it should feel a little oily. Apply a shower cap to your head. Then tie a scarf or bandana over the shower cap to trap your body heat on your head and sleep with the oil in your hair. Rinse thoroughly. Wash and condition your hair like you normally would. Repeat this process once or twice a week for the best results. Number 3, rice water. Rice water has been used in many Asian countries for a long time to promote healthy, shiny, long hair. There are several ways to make the rice water. You can simply add a cup of rice with double the water used normally for cooking. Cook the rice and strain off the excess water into a bowl. You can also place 2 cups of rice in a bowl and let it soak for 30 minutes to an hour. Strain off the excess water into the bowl. Or you can allow your rice water to ferment by simply placing 2 to 3 cups of rice into water and leaving it to ferment at room temperature for 2 days. To use, you will wash your hair with shampoo only. Rinse thoroughly and then pour the rice water onto your hair, massaging it fully into your scalp and hair. Leave on for about 20 to 30 minutes and rinse thoroughly with clean, warm water. Repeat once or twice a week for best results. And that's 3 tips in 3 minutes. Thanks for watching.